Do you want to know what we are doing on this fine Sunday evening? What are we doing, Lily? What is this?
Finding sock matches.
We're finding matching socks, and we're not done.
Okay.
We still have 2 more bags full of socks to go. All right, we have a dog and a taco. Do we have a dog and a taco? Ah! We got one! She's eating these little bugs that are flying to try to get the light because we left the door open and now they're all trying to come into the basement. Get them, Raleigh. Get the bugs. There just has to be a better way to do this. This is just not, there has to be a better way to do this. There totally is a better way to do it. It's a sock dock, and all you have to do is put the socks in, and then they snap them in place, so that way they can't all get lost in the washing machine, and you never have to lose your socks again. It comes with 2 of them, so we can put all of these different pairs of socks in, and it also has these cute little hangy things, so we can hang these up in the closet, and then you can attach them there, and then your socks can just hang, and then you can find them easier without having to go through and do what we do on Sunday nights and try to find matching sock pairs. So just to demonstrate, you take 2 socks. These don't match, but that's okay. You put them in, and then you tighten them, and then see, it holds them into place. So you don't have to lose them anymore. These damn bugs, did you see that bug? These bugs are driving me insane down here. Game changer, especially for parents like me that just, socks are expensive. And I hate to throw away all those mismatched socks, but like I've searched for their mates. They're not here, they're gone. So there ain't much I can do. But now we don't have to worry about losing socks anymore. So I'm going to tag it in this video. You can buy it for yourself on TikTok shop. It's super cool. And maybe it'll help you not lose all of your socks.